Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Volkswagen Transporter in the workshop. So this is a motorhome conversion of a T5.1. Let's have a look inside. Alright, so this vehicle has come in for this one here today, the KENWOOD DNR992RVS. So that's the big touchscreen tablet with built-in navigation. So currently I have my phone hooked up because it has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So as you can see, we have Google Maps on the screen. It also gives you access to various other apps, so Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Spotify, WhatsApp, parking. Also on this vehicle we have fitted the factory parking retention, which keeps the sensors on the screen. Another thing we've also fitted is this one here. So we have a KENWOOD dash cam. Let's just see the model there, DRV-N520. So that comes up on the head unit as well. If we have a look, there we go, there's the dash cam. We've also got your normal digital stereo, FM radio and Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming. There we go, and there's that one there.